Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I've got the photo of single, and this is what it is. You click on the single and you get to the singles logos and logos and sayings and slogans, which you put on your caps and your hats and on your hats and your t-shirts and your mugs and your hoodies and your jackets at Printful at the print and on a print on demand business. Now, the only time that happens, that you don't put it on before, and when a customer orders that your logo, your slogan, and your saying, then when after the customer's paid for it, then that will be sent to the customer, and that slogan will be put on that hoodie, which makes that hoodie unique within the marketplace, and there's no other hoodie with that on it. So that's the thing about this. So when you get some winners, which will happen, but you've got to persist, okay? And another thing about this business, right? It's a passive business, and you can do it anywhere. You don't have to be homebound, as they say. You can go to any country you want and do it there. You can do it anywhere you like, as long as there's an internet connection. You can do the business, right? See, so you can be a traveling nomad. That's what you can be, which is a lot as what a lot of entrepreneurs online are, because they've discovered that this is the best way to earn income. It's passive. That's and they're not silly. They're not silly. No, they're not going to go with the beliefs of the masses. 96% who fail. They're not going to do that. No, 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 no. Richest time in human history, and 96% people fail. And become broke at the end of their days by the time at 65. It's still, which is ridiculous as far as I'm concerned. But I know the reason for that. I'm not going to get into that. But anyway, this is the print-on-demand business, and this is what for you the part where I help you and show you how simple it is to do these slogans, logos, and sayings. It's really, really simple. So without further ado and much fanfare, let's get on with it, shall we? We'll create a few more. Because this is the last one. This will be the last video for this particular thing. So here's the thing is. This is another one. So this is the truth too. It is. So there are benefits to being single. And yet there are some advantages. See, there is some advantages to being single. Yes, there is. Absolutely. You're not tied to one place. If you want to, you can move. And if you get this business cranking up for you, man, yeah, mate. You know. Yeah. Yeah, see? Um, Here's another one. Yeah, I'm getting there. Yeah, see, be single and be a traveling nomad. And if you get into this Printful business, right, that's what you can become. You can you can do this anywhere. Wherever you can hook up an internet connection, you can do this business. You don't necessarily have to be in your house or at your address where your parents live. No, you don't have to do that. No, you don't have to do that at all. No, you don't. Not sure about that. I might just leave it at what it was before. So there you go. No, you can move around. You can be in one country one day and another country another day. So I mean, this is how it can be. I mean, I think that's probably why COVID-19 happened, because too many people are moving around, and because they're internet millionaires. See, that's why they're getting their income from the internet. See. And and the corporation that calls itself government don't like it, see. So this is why COVID-19, see. Oh, it's so sad, but single is good, you know. Single is good, yeah. Single is good, and it's another one. See, single is good. Yeah, especially when you're a traveling nomad. You know, single is good. You know. Yeah, when you're a traveling nomad, definitely, you know, single is good, you know. So that's true, you know. You're a traveling nomad, you go where you want, where you change, stay in hotels, or you stay in backpackers, or you do what is it, other thing where you can live in a house or whatever you want to do, with that company. I forget what they're called, but anyway, um, they're a big company, don't own any real estate, but you can book anywhere with them. You see at their website online, you know. And you know, I mean, this is it, see. And you've got this business going, and you got your slogans and your logos, and you got some winners, and because you haven't cried over the losers and gone, oh, there's no money in it because none of them are those slogans, so nobody wants what I do, you know. You haven't gone like that. You go like that, I tell you, mate, you'll be chained to the post the rest of your life, like a dog. You know, see? And that's what'll happen to you. You know, you only get one existence. That's it. And once it's gone, it's gone. That's it. So you need to think a little differently. You see, you got to fix up what's between your ears, right? And that's the truth. It's a truth, and that's why 96% of people don't get anywhere, because they don't fix up what's between their ears. You see, you know what they've been taught. They believe everything the government says, which is, and you know, how do you know a politician's lying? Slips are moving, you know. It's a good one, but see, that's a good saying, you know, because that's all they ever do, right? Do they tell you they're a company? No, they say that they're the government, you know, when it's not true. No, you know, that's not true. They're a company, all right. I mean, I can tell you what my company, the company of you know, I live in New Zealand, and you know, the company name here is On Her Majesty's Service New Zealand Ply Limited. See, I know the name of the company. Hey, and it's guess what? It's, you know, it has its accounts in a tax-free haven, the Cayman Islands. That's where it does, so it doesn't have to pay any taxes. So why shouldn't we do the same thing? You can copy what they do. You see? Oh, you're a tax evader if you do that. No, you're a tax avoider if you do that. See? Hey, well, you know, this is it. See, so this is what a Printful business means, right? It means for you, you will be free. You can become a traveling nomad, no problem at all, because you can do it wherever you want. You don't have to be tied to one place. See? And that's why COVID-19, I think, because lots of people are becoming free on the online, and they can move around and they can do what they like, and you know, and the government doesn't like it, you see, because they're escaping the tax net. See, that's what they're doing. You know, they're reducing the company's profits. Oh, you can't have that. No. Oh, no. That's that's a no. You know, you see. But see, Jeff Bezos doesn't pay any tax. I mean, the British government tried that one on him, because where's he got his accounts? He's got his accounts in Guernsey. You see, Guernsey, a tax-free haven. See, so Jeff's not stupid, right? You see, that's just one place, right? You know, all around the world there are places, you know, and I know them. So, you see, so, I mean, you know, get into this business and give yourself some freedom. Get free of the slavery. You know, people think that slavery's dead. No, it's not. It's very much alive, and it's an earned income. That's what it is. That's what it is. And they make you think that you're free. Well, you're not. You're a slave. You got to turn up every day. Otherwise, you don't get paid. And that's a fact. See? See, I'll show you what I mean. I mean, this is how it is. I mean, look, this is how simple it is, right? You put your logo on this toddy here, and it's yours. No one can take it. If they do, it's breach copyright law, and it's unique in the marketplace. That's a fact. It's your product, and there's no competition when it's like that. You've created that logo, that slogan, right? That's what you've done. That's saying. So it's yours, you know, and someone purchases that, and then it gets printed on. So that's why it's called print on demand. And I recommend Printful because they start you for free and they give you all the training you need. See, so this is why you should get into it. And it's passive income, right? And you can be free and do it anywhere you like. You don't have to be stuck at home. You see, you can be anywhere you like. Yeah, when it's wintry and cold and miserable and snowy and everything like that. You can be in the tropics. You're in the Bahamas or wherever you want to be, where it's nice and warm, you know. You don't have to be stuck in the snow and all the rest of it, and the ice and the cold and the misery. No, you don't have to be. Because why? Because you started your Printful business. That's why. And you're getting passive income, you know. And you don't have to be there. You don't have to be there. You don't. You see, you spend a couple of hours a day or less. You know, you don't have to be there for 8 to 10 hours a day. No. See, that's the thing. See, and you put your slogan there, you're on the hoodie, and it makes it unique in the marketplace, and that's the end of that. And then I'll show you something else. See, that also is true, right? Oh, here's my account, right? Free account. I never paid for this, and it's got all the training he showed, even the setup, everything's here. See, they want me to be successful. Why? Because if I succeed, they succeed. That's why. You see, and there's the best products. Design your product here, choose a product and start designing. See? I mean, they want you to succeed, you know? That's what they want. So you put your logos that you create, and that's why I'm teaching you how to do that, see? And showing you how easy it is. You've got things that you know that I don't know, and you can use those, right? But don't cry for the losers. Don't go, oh, there's no money. Don't do that, because otherwise you're chained to the post for the rest of your life. You'll never become a free entity and never become a travelling nomad either. Why? Because you haven't fixed what's between your ears. See? You want to do that, you know? That's the first thing. It's think and grow rich. Most people don't think. See? I've got things on my website that say that, you see? You know, and millionaire mindset and all that sort of millionaire habits. It's all there, you know, on my site, diehardsforeducation.com. See, you know, I mean, get off your ass, right, and do something for yourself. Don't give up your job though. No, keep that and work this part time. You know, just don't worry about the TV anymore. You know, just chuck it out the window. You know, get rid of it. You know, you don't need it. You know, but you still don't. You know, I mean, and get into this and spend your time doing this instead, and see how fast you become a traveling nomad, because you bothered to do it and you didn't cry about the losers. You chucked them out and you kept doing it and you got some winners, and then pretty soon your job's replaced and you've got a new income source, which is more secure than your job, which is just on broke, you see, which is, and is the highest tax, which is what the government wants you, see. They want you to be like that. They don't want you to have any freedom. No, hell no. That's no good. They want you to be a slave, see, to them and pay them, you know. There are some advantages to being single. Be single and be a traveling nomad. Yeah, you're not tied to anybody. See, single is good, you know. So, you can do up and go at the on a dime. You don't have to be there where you are. If once you get this thing going, you can do it wherever you like. You know, that's a fact. Wherever there's an internet connection, you can do business. That's it. Put up your slogans and do that at Printful. So that's how it is. You know, I mean, you can learn how to. I mean, on my site, you can learn how to create a WordPress website too. I've got that there as well. A video on that. So I mean, I've got everything that you need is on my site. So I mean, this is a business where you can get passive income. And and that's the best income, the most secure, and it's ongoing. And you don't have to be there. Like I said, to get paid, you don't have to be there. You can have you don't. I mean, every day for you is another day, and it's not a day where you've got to go and work and be stuck in one place. You don't have to be stuck in one place. You can travel wherever you want, and that's the thing about it. Okay, that's the advantage of it. Okay, so if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. I mean, get into this Printful business and get yourself free and become a traveling nomad. Single is good. Yeah, become a traveling nomad. Yeah, why not? Travel where you want. Now they've tried to stuff it up. I know they have. But don't worry about it. Get onto this and get yourself free. You can, and that's a fact. That doing this is simple. It's not that hard. I came up with these in a few minutes in front of your face. So it's not that hard, okay? And I'll see you again. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.